Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. Every woman has had this experience. You get to the end of the day and realize you did nothing for you. And if you go days, weeks, or even months in this cycle, you begin to feel like you have lost a bit of yourself. While life is busy with a litany of must-dos work, child-rearing, keeping house, grocery shopping, laundry and on, women do not have to push their own needs aside. Yet this is often what happens. There's just no time, right? Wrong. In this practical and liberating book, Jessica Turner empowers women to take back pockets of time they already have in their day in order to practice self-care and do the things they love. Turner uses her own experiences and those of women across the country to teach readers how to balance their many responsibilities while still taking time to invest in themselves. She also addresses barriers to this lifestyle, such as comparison and guilt, and demonstrates how eliminating these feelings and making changes to one's schedule will make the reader a better wife, mother, and friend. Perfect for any woman who is doing everything for everyone except herself. The Fringe Hours is ideal for both individuals and small group use. This is, without a doubt, one of the most life-changing books I've ever read. I gobbled up every word and answered every question, in a separate notebook. I will read this book again and again. We are worth taking care of. Yes, ladies, we need to take the time for self-care. We are worth it. Step 1 for me is to set my craft table back up this weekend and commit to a project. Step 2 is to schedule time regularly to work on that project to fill my cup so I can continue to give to others.